Hey everyone, my name's Anson, and for today's 90-second challenge, we're gonna be playing Velcro throw.
90 seconds challenge!
Alright, we've got these weird Velcro hand things, and we have to see how many we can throw back and forth in a row. 3, 2, 1, go! Now there are lots of camera things around here, so it sticks really good.
Yeah, it's taking off like half a second between each one.
Yeah. I feel like usually you kind of have to like cup these, you know?
Yeah.
You just let them stick. It's great. $4 at Target. Ooh, that one was a lot of fun.
Sorry, I usually play softball in the spring, and it's winter right now, so.
What position do you play?
Third base and all the fields.
All the fields.
All the fields. I'm a filler.
What are we at, Ty?
22.
Oh no!
Oh, good
You
save.
got. Oh, that was.
How much time?
30 seconds.
All right.
This one's. I feel like it's pretty easy.
I know. I thought it would be harder.
I mean, I don't have to do anything like intellectual. I'm throwing and catching and
The camera.
not touching the camera.
30 seconds left.
All right, speed up. Double or nothing. Oh no! Oh no!
33.
I blew it.
Yeah, you
Start
did.
over. Okay, 33. One. It's so
Come on.
sticky. Yep, how much time, Ty? Hurry.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's so sticky. All right, what was our high?
High was 33.
33.
And you had like 8 after that.
All right, so put those thumbs up. Thumbs up if you think that was a 90-second success. Thumbs down for a 90-second failure.